I'm Robin Clevitt, you're watching 101 Uses of a Multi-Tool out on tour. Now in our industry we use a lot of insulation and a lot of rigid insulation, and quite often it meets our joists or where we will be relieving for electrical boxes and things like that. So what we need to do is go along and cut out for the electrical boxes and that sort of stuff, and it can make a lot of mess. By using this wavy insulation blade, I can do that much cleaner, it's much more effective, and it's very quick. I can also do contour cuts and reduce the size of my panels as well. So for me, this is a particularly useful addition to my multi-tool. So using the insulation blade, there's so many things you can do with it. You can cut curves, you can take out socket boxes, and it's a lot less destructive and there's a lot less dust than using a pad saw or something similar. It's also really useful for where you're laying underfloor heating and you've got to put your PIR down on a slab. There may be mains pipes or conduit from the electricians, and you've got to cut the insulation out over the back of it. You push the insulation into it, you see where you've got to go, and you cut a nice 45-degree cut with the insulation blade, take it out, and it will sit over that pipe or conduit without any problem. Thanks for joining me. This is 101 Uses of a Multi-Tool out on tour. I'm Robin Clevitt. Check back soon.